Hey everybody, so today we are going to be taking a look at the Scion's alternator. I believe it's bad. Driving it home last night, the lights and everything dimmed down and the battery light came on, so I'm pretty sure the alternator is not charging it anymore. I already started taking it apart. The battery was completely dead, so I had to take it out and charge it. So I'll get the serpentine bells off and we'll go from there. Well, I had to go get a rental tool from AutoZone and I broke it. So I gotta go get another one now. Okay, it's probably gonna be a little windy. I'm trying to block it and talk as loud as I can without sounding like I'm yelling. But that rental tool I broke, I returned and I got this 1/2-inch drive, 2-foot extension. And it turns out that since this is a hydraulic tensioner, what you need to do is you need to apply constant pressure over a period of time. I gave it about 10 seconds and that worked really well. That mixed with the long extension gave me enough leverage to get it off there. So now that we got the belt off, I'm gonna finish taking all of this off and get these bolts off here. So I already took the power bit off, this connector here, and then I just need to get these bolts here. I believe it's just this one and there might be one back there, I'm not sure. We'll find out. Okay, so there's 2 bolts, one down here that my ratchet's on right now. Focus please. One down here and one right there. You see that little opening right there? Let's see if I can poke it. Right there. So those 2 bolts and I believe it'll come out. Alright, so I got that bottom bolt off. It moves freely now. I was going to take this bracket off here, but I just cut the tape that was holding this in place, because those 2 screws right there and right there, they're a pain, and I'm not going to bother with that garbage. I'll just zip tie this little guy out of the way, cable tie this little guy out of the way. There we are. Now I'm gonna go have this checked to be sure I don't have to buy an alternator, but I'm pretty sure I do. Alright, so we've got our new alternator here. So now I'm going to put this in. Oh, nice. It came with that bracket I turned in with the core. quick. Part. We got this belt back on finally. Everything's bolted up, and I'd say, aside from adjusting that down there on the AC compressor, down there on the AC compressor and up onto the idler, it comes off a little bit, but I'll just adjust that and we'll call this done. Now all we have to do is bolt the battery back up. Start it and see how it works. Alright, no more battery light. Good deal. Well, now that I took the battery out, it's going to take a while for all the settings to come back. Usually it takes about 15 minutes, and you got to play with the windows and stuff like that, but it's not too bad. So, that'll wrap it up. Thanks for watching. Right, sir, lights.